Now here's something you don't see every day. Have a look at my water bike creation. It started life as a 3D AutoCAD drawing that I did. I had an old mountain bike lying around and got to thinking how I could create something I could pedal on the water, and the water bike came to fruition. For the drive, I used an old angle grinder that I disassembled and attached to a prop shaft I bought at Walmart. I welded a bicycle sprocket to the angle grinder and attached a short piece of chain to the sprocket on the bicycle. Then I fabricated some brackets to hold the angle grinder in the proper position. I made a flexible coupling using a piece of gas line attached to the shaft of the grinder. It worked like a charm. To make the frame, I used structural tubing and fittings I picked up at Lowe's and attached the whole thing to a pressure-treated wood frame and then strapped it to the two paddle boards using ratchet tie-downs. For steering, I just used one of the paddleboard oars and wedged it between the brake lever and the handlebar. Crude but effective, and I need to improve that some. It worked pretty well, but it's not going to set any speed records for sure. I've since bought a propeller made for a pedal kayak, which should greatly improve the speed. I'm already thinking about ways to mount a cooler, a dog carrier, fishing poles, umbrella, and all sorts of other ideas. It's a lot of fun and gets a lot of looks. Maybe this will inspire you to create one of your own. Hope you enjoy. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. Take care.